Okay guys, so in this lecture we will learn some formula. We'll see that how we can perform different calculations. So let's first start with some values. Let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Let's say I want to perform addition operation on all these four values. What simply you can do, simply select all the cells. I am using shift down arrow and also select the last cell which is actually empty where I actually want the answer, right? So by selecting that, click on auto sum feature. Here you have sigma sign and auto sum feature. Click that and you will get the answer, that is 100, right? So this is the answer. Now you can change the values and automatically it will change the answer. So here the sum feature, the same thing, the same addition operation you can perform by using the formula. Like now let's take row values. So 3, 4, 5, right? And let's say I want addition of these values. Again I'm selecting the last cell where I actually want answer. Okay, I got 12, so this is my answer, right? This is our answer. So there's two ways, column wise or the row wise you can perform. Now I'm simply adding the new sheet. Okay, now let's try something else. Okay, so here I have 10, but I don't have value here. 20, I don't have value in between, and 30. So in middle I don't have value. Let's say some random values like ABC is there, or some other value like F, right? So this is my data and I want the total of the numbers in this cell. So how you can write, whenever you apply any formula, start with the equal to sign and use the formula. So to perform the addition operation we have sum. When you will write S, it will give all the functions starting with the S, U and M, right? So here we have sum, then bracket. In this bracket you need to write the parameters, like on which you want to perform this operation or want to apply this formula. So I want to apply some formula on 10, 20 and 30, right? 10, 20 and 30. So 10 is, the address of 10 is A1, comma, then 20, that is C1, comma, and E1 and bracket close. So see, there is a change in color for each value and you can easily identify that A1, C1, E1, three values. Hit enter and you will get the answer, that is 60. Also you can change the value and it will update the answer, right? Now let's say I have, so this is about using, this is how you can use the sum. But now let's say I have other data as well. I'm randomly entering the values. Okay, let's leave this. Okay, and any random value you can take. Okay, so now similarly with this is my first row, right? This is our first row. I want to apply this same formula on all this row. What, you don't need to write the formula again and again and again. Here you have formula sum A1, C1, E1, and now simply go to the cell and here you can find the small spot, small point is there. Go there, click, hold the mouse, drag the mouse, leave. Now see, you got answer, right? see the formula A2C2E2. Also you can double click and check that on which values it has performed the sum operation, right? So this is how you can apply the same formula on all the other records. So here we saw that how to use the sigma, that is AutoSum. Here we saw that how we can do the sum using the sum function, sum formula. Now last I'm adding the sheet number 3, and very easy thing we are going to do here, that is let's say I have 100 and 20, fine, and I want to apply different operation. What you can do, simply equal, suppose you don't want to use formula, right? What you can do, simply take this equal to, right, equal to bracket and address of the cell, that is A1. What you want to do, suppose I want to perform addition and the second value is B1. Okay, enter, right? So this is another way. And also you can do the subtraction, like I got 80. You can do multiplication, yes. Also you can do division, right? So this is how you can perform different mathematical operations in a different manner. Other things, other new things we will see in the next lectures.